What is conscious parenting? A beginner's guide. Are you tired of constant battles with your child? Ever wondered why some parents seem to have an effortless, deep connection with their kids while others struggle with daily meltdowns and frustrations? Imagine a parenting style where you don't have to yell, bribe, or threaten to be heard, where your child listens and cooperates willingly. This isn't about perfect parenting. It's about raising emotionally strong, confident, and connected children while finding more peace and joy in your own parenting journey. But here's the surprising part. Conscious parenting isn't about fixing your child's behavior. It starts with you. So what exactly it is? How can it transform your family life? In this video, I'll break down conscious parenting into simple, actionable steps, even if you are completely new to the concept. So let's dive in. Let me tell you, why should you watch this video? If you are a mother raising a child between 5 to 18 years old, you're likely to be faced with moments of frustration, guilt, and exhaustion in your parenting journey. You want to raise a confident, emotionally strong, and a connected child, but traditional parenting methods just don't seem to work anymore. So here's what you're going to gain from this video. You will understand the number one secret to parenting without yelling or power struggles. Shift from control-based parenting to connection-based parenting. Number 2, you will discover why conscious parenting starts from you. Learn how your emotional energy directly shapes your child's behavior and future. Number 3, you will get actionable, easy to implement steps. Even if you're new to the concept, you'll walk away with practical strategies to start transforming your parenting today. You will create a more peaceful, respectful, and a loving parent-child relationship. You will strengthen your bond with your child while reducing stress, meltdowns, and miscommunication. My bold promise for this video is that by the end of this video, you'll not only understand what is conscious parenting, but you will also have a clear roadmap to start practicing it today with immediate shifts that will bring more energy, connection, and joy to your home. So, ready to step into the world of conscious parenting? Let's dive in. A few years ago, I was exactly where you might be right now. Frustrated, exhausted, and constantly second-guessing my own parenting choices. My son Arav was 8 years old at that time, and every day felt like a battle. Homework struggles, tantrums over screen, and moments where I'd lose my patience and raise my voice, only to feel guilty afterwards. I tried everything, timeouts, rewards, and even because I said so approach. But nothing seemed to work. The more I controlled, the more distant and disconnected I felt. I knew something had to change. One evening, after a particularly long argument over bedtime, Arav looked at me with teary eyes and said, "Mom, you never listened to me." This really hit me hard. Was I really listening or was I just reacting? That night I started searching and I stumbled upon conscious parenting. It wasn't about controlling my child, it was about understanding myself first. The more I learned, the more I realized that my reactions were fueled by my own childhood patterns, my stress, my expectations. Arav wasn't the problem, my approach was. I started shifting my focus from controlling his behavior to understanding his emotions. Instead of saying, "Stop arguing and go to bed," I tried, "I see that you don't want to sleep yet. What's on your mind?" The shift was really subtle but powerful. Over time, our conversations became calmer, the bond grew stronger, and bedtime battles turned into bedtime chats. Arav started to feel heard. In return, he became more cooperative and open with me. This is what conscious parenting is all about. Moving from reaction to reflection, from control to connection. And the best part is that you don't have to be a perfect parent to start. Small shifts like these ones can make a big transformation in your own home. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact principles that helped me and how you can start applying them today. So let me start by asking you why conscious parenting is essential for you. As a mother raising a child between 5 to 18 years old, you've probably experienced moments of frustration, whether it's managing tantrums, school stress, screen time battles, or teenage mood swings. You want to raise a confident, kind, and an emotionally strong, but traditional parenting methods like punishment, rewards, and constant corrections don't seem to work anymore. Here's the truth. The world our children are growing up is really different from what we grew up in. They are dealing with more stress, more social pressure, more emotional challenges than what we faced. If we continue using old school control based parenting, we risk creating emotional distance, resentment, and disconnection in our relationship with our children. That's why conscious parenting isn't just a trend. It's necessary for modern parenting. Think about this. How often do you feel overwhelmed, drained, and guilty as a mother? Maybe you have had moments where you yelled at your child and regretted it later. You feel unheard and unappreciated no matter how much you do. You see your child struggling with emotions, but you don't know how to help. You wish you could be calmer and more patient, but stress really takes over. Believe me, ladies, you're not alone. Many mothers feel the same way. The problem isn't that we don't love our children enough. It's that we aren't taught how to parent consciously. But the good news is that you can break free from this cycle and start making small changes today. As mothers, we are emotional anchors of our families. The way we parent today will shape our children's emotional intelligence, resilience, and future relationships. The question is, do you want to raise a child who listens out of fear or who respects and trusts you? Do you want to rely on control or build a deep connection that lasts a lifetime? The responsibility of breaking negative patterns and creating a home filled with love, trust, and understanding starts with you. In this video, I'll break down conscious parenting into simple, actionable steps so you can start your transformational journey today. Because when you shift, your child shifts too. I highly recommend keeping a notepad handy, whether it's physical journal or digital notes app on your phone. Because what I'm about to share with you will help you create real shifts in your parenting journey. Writing things helps you absorb and remember the key concepts. Also, you'll be able to reflect and implement these strategies in your daily life. At the end of this video, you'll have an actionable roadmap to begin your conscious parenting transformation. To make this even more exciting, if you take notes and comment on your biggest takeaways below, I will send you a free conscious parenting quick start guide, a simple yet powerful resource to help you start implementing these changes right away. So grab a notepad, stay engaged, and let's dive into this life-changing journey together. Let's start with what is conscious parenting. Conscious parenting is a transformational approach to raising children that shifts the focus from controlling a child's behavior to understanding and nurturing their emotional well-being. Unlike traditional parenting, which often relies on discipline, rewards, punishments, conscious parenting emphasizes on self-awareness, emotional regulation, and deep parent-child connection. Parenting begins with you, not your child. Instead of trying to fix your child's behavior, conscious parenting focuses on self-awareness, emotional regulation in parents first. Your child mirrors your energy. If you are calm, they will be too. Number 2, Conscious parenting focuses on connection over control. Rather than forcing obedience, the approach builds trust and respect through open communication and empathy. When children feel understood, they are more likely to cooperate. Number 3, it helps break generational parenting patterns. Many of us grew up with authoritarian parenting, where emotions were dismissed or suppressed. Conscious parenting helps break cycles of yelling, punishment, and emotional neglect. Number 4, it encourages emotional intelligence in children. Instead of saying, "Stop crying," conscious parenting teaches you to say, "I see you are upset. Let's talk about it." This builds emotional intelligence and teaches children how to process their feelings. Number 5, it shifts from reaction to reflection. Instead of reacting impulsively, parents pause and respond mindfully. This fosters healthy communication and long-term trust. Number 6, respects a child's individuality and growth. Every child has their own personality, strengths, and challenges. Conscious parenting helps you see, hear, and honor your child's own true self rather than trying to fit them into a mold. Let me tell you why conscious parenting matters. Number 1, it reduces daily power struggles and meltdowns. When children feel understood rather than controlled, they cooperate more willingly. This reduces the constant battles over bedtime, screen time, and homework. Number 2, it strengthens parent-child bond for a lifetime. A secure, emotionally safe relationship with parents builds lifelong trust, ensuring children feel comfortable, open up during teenage years. Number 3, it prepares kids for healthy emotional future. Emotional intelligence is a greater predictor of success than IQ these days. Children raised in a conscious parenting environment learn how to handle emotions, relationships, and challenges effectively. 4, it helps parents feel less stressed and guilty. Conscious parenting shifts the pressure off the parents. It's no longer about being a perfect parent, but about being present, aware, and connected. 5th, it breaks the cycle of yelling and guilt. Parents often react out of stress, no intention. Conscious parenting helps break the guilt, yell, repeat cycle by fostering mindful responses. Number 6, it creates a peaceful, respectful home environment. Instead of a home filled with conflict, frustration, and yelling, conscious parenting builds a space of understanding, love, and mutual respect where everyone feels valued. So let's jump into how to practice conscious parenting. Let me start with step 1. Shift from control to connection. Instead of forcing obedience, build trust and understanding. For example, your child refuses to do homework. Instead of saying, "Do it right now" or "No TV," say, "I see you're overwhelmed. Let's take a break and tackle it together." Your child feels heard and is more willing to cooperate. Number 2, pause before reacting. Before reacting, pause and breathe to respond with awareness. For example, your teenager rolls their eyes at you. Instead of snapping, take a deep breath and say, "I see you're frustrated. Want to talk about it?" As a result, you de-escalate tension and your child learns healthy communication. Number 3, acknowledge and validate feelings. Instead of dismissing emotions, validate your child's experiences so they feel safe in expressing themselves. Say your 6-year-old is crying over a broken toy. Instead of saying, "It's just a toy, stop crying," try, "I see you're sad because your favorite toy broke." That must be really hard. The child feels heard and learns to process emotions rather than suppressing them. Number 4. Set boundaries with love, not fear. Boundaries are essential, but they should be firm, clear, and respectful, not fear-based. Say your 10-year-old keeps pushing bedtime limits. Instead of go to bed now or else, say, I understand you want to stay up longer, but sleep helps your brain grow. Let's set a bedtime that works for both of us. The child respects the limit rather than resents them. Number 5. Teach emotional regulation by modeling. Kids learn by example. Show them how to manage emotions calmly instead of impulsively. Imagine you're stuck in a traffic and your child hears you yelling at the other driver. Instead of saying, "This is frustrating, but I'm taking a deep breath to stay calm," your child learns self-regulation instead of reacting with frustration. Number 6. Focus on teaching, not punishing. Instead of punishments that instill fear, use natural consequences and problem solving. Suppose your child spills milk and gets scared of getting yelled at. Instead of punishing, say it's okay. Let's clean up together. Next time, let's pour slowly. Your child learns responsibility without fear or shame. Conscious parenting isn't about being perfect or never making mistakes. It's about being mindful, present, and emotionally aware, where you can create a home where your child feels safe, respected, and loved. Now that we know what is conscious parenting, why it matters, and how to practice it, we are ready to start the transformation. Comment below what's one parenting challenge you'd love to overcome. Let's start this journey together. If this video resonated with you, here's how you can take the next step. Like and subscribe this video. Share it with a friend who would also love to have such a guidance. As a free bonus, I have attached a free copy of Conscious Parents Beginner's Guide in the description below. Do not forget to download your free gift. Also, if you're ready to go deeper into conscious parenting and transform your parenting, sign up for my live free masterclass today, where I'll dive into how to break generational parenting patterns, techniques to build deep trust and connection with your child, a step-by-step roadmap to becoming a conscious parent. Link is in the description below. I will wait for your comments about takeaways and I'll personally read each one of them. So let's start this journey together and stay tuned for my more videos about parenting transformation.